Welcome to Yoga Flow with Kim. I'm Kim, and today I will be guiding you through a family-friendly, Halloween-themed yoga practice. Please subscribe to my channel, click that notification bell, and we'll get started. So before we start, let's come to crisscross applesauce and let's think about the meaning of Halloween. Halloween is a great time to remind ourselves it's okay to be scared sometimes in life. In fact, sometimes it's a little fun. Whenever we encounter scary things, yogic breathing can help calm our nerves and give us focus so we can conquer our fears. So today I'm going to show you 3 types of yogic breathing. First, let's do a cleansing breath, and we're going to call this spooky wind. Take a big breath in and breathe out. Imagine your spooky wind. One more. Big breath in and breathe out. Make a spooky Halloween wind. Great. Now I'm going to show you lion's breath. If ever you encounter anything scary in life, lion's breath can give you courage. Take a big breath in. Breathe out. Stick out your tongue. Look up like a scary lion. Big breath in. Good job, friends. And next I will show you ujaii breath. And today we're going to call this ghost breath. Close your lips, gently constrict your throat. Take a big breath in through the nose. Breathe out through the nose. Make a hissy, spooky sound. Let's try one more. Big breath in. Breathe out. And let's keep up those deep, soothing breaths throughout our whole yoga practice. So we're going to travel to a pumpkin patch today. Let's start out as a tiny pumpkin seed, really, really small. And let's imagine we have lots of sunlight and lots of rain. And let's start growing our sprouts. Take a big breath in, big breath out. And now let's start growing our pumpkin vines. Reach your right arm forward, left leg back. Big breath in. Big breath out. And switch sides. Left arm forward, right leg back. Big breath in. Big breath out. Good job, friends. Okay, it's time to start our Halloween story. In Halloween costumes, the spooky young yogis created twisted branches in moonlit trees. So imagine you're a twisted branch, and let's twist from one side to the other. Big breaths in. Big breaths out. Big breaths in. Big breaths out. Good job. Candles and pumpkins light up the night. They're ghosts and skeletons. Ooh, what a sight. So can you make a flickering candle with your hands? For the candles and the pumpkins lighting up the night. There's ghosts and skeletons. Ooh, what a sight. So now let's ooh, like a ghost. Ooh, and let's make a skeleton, a creepy skeleton. Let's shake our legs, shake our arms, shake our head. Spooky werewolves and scary looking dogs turning phantom princes into freaky frogs. So now let's bend our knees, plant our palms, and step back to downward dog and make a scary dog shape. Take a big breath in, big breath out. And now let's come to upward dog, and we'll call this howling wolf today. Untuck your toes, shoulders back and down. Let's take a big breath in and howl at the moon. Ow! Good job, friends. And now let's make the shape of a freaky frog. Can you hop your feet forward? And let's make frog shape. Take a big breath in. Big breath out. Slinky cats, mischievous on the mat. How do you arch your back like that? So now let's make a big black cat. Let's arch our back. Take a big breath in. And as we breathe out, let's hiss like a cat. Good. Big breath in. Breathe out. Hiss like a cat. One more. Big breath in. Big hiss out. Good job, friends. A crescent moon and a moving star. Witches flying on brooms, flying so far. So now let's stand up and let's make the shape of a crescent moon. Take a big breath in. Big breath out. Other way, crescent moon. Big breath in. Big breath out. A crescent moon and a moving star. Let's make star shape. Big breath in. Big breath out. Witches flying on brooms. Imagine you're a witch flying on a broom. Flying so far. Now take a big breath in. And breathe out. Shift your weight to your right foot. Float your left leg back. And imagine you're a witch flying on a broom. Take a big breath in. Big breath out. And let's switch our legs. Extend your right leg back. And imagine you're a flying witch. Big breath in. Big breath out. Good job, friends. A long, deep breath. And then a big boo. Casting spells in a witch's brew. So let's sit with our feet together. And let's make the shape of a cauldron. Let's take a big breath. And a boo, boo. Casting spells in a witch's brew. Now let's think of a good spell we want to cast. Maybe a spell for peace, love, and happiness. So let's blow a kiss. And another kiss. Let's put our kisses in our witch's brew. And let's put a hug in our witch's brew. And let's sprinkle some kindness. And now let's bring our hands to our hearts for kind and loving actions. Think of a kind and loving action, like a hug, a kiss, a gift, helping a friend, sharing. Let's bring our thumbs to our mouth for kind and loving words, such as, I love you. And let's bring our thumbs to our forehead, our third eye, for kind and loving thoughts towards others and ourselves. And think of something you love, about someone you love, and then think of something you love about yourself. And let's sprinkle all this love into our witch's brew. Joining in with magical mindfulness, stirring a cauldron in a long black dress. Let's imagine we're stirring a cauldron. Take a big breath in. Big spooky breath out. And let's stir the other way. Big breath in. Big spooky breath out. Good job. A black pointed hat and a cape to the ground. There's spiders and bugs creeping all around. Now let's make the shape of a witch's hat in triangle pose. Take a big breath in. Big breath out. Now let's make triangle pose the other way, like a witch's hat. Big breath in. Big breath out. And a cape to the ground. Let's make a big cape and then bow to the ground. There's spiders and bugs creeping all around. So now let's bring our hands behind us and imagine we're a spider creeping all around. And let's make the shape of a bug. Take a big breath in. Big breath out. Good job, friends. Mummies and zombies causing a shiver. Ghouls and vampires making us quiver. Now let's make the shape of a mummy. And let's walk forward like a spooky zombie. And now let's shiver and shake, 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 shake your sillies out. Ghostly pirates walking the plank on a haunted ship. Many years ago it sank. So now let's make plank pose. Take a big breath in, reach your hands up, and exhale. Plant your palms and walk your feet out to a long pirate's plank. So your body's one long line. Take a big breath in, big breath out. And now let's make the ship that sank. So sit on your bum, reach your legs up, and let's make boat pose. Take a big breath in, big breath out. And now let's sink our ship. Good job, friends. Holding his wand, here comes the wizard. Look out and hide before he turns you into a lizard. Now let's imagine we're a wizard. Let's do a warrior 2 and hold our wand. Take a big breath in, big breath out. And let's bring our wand to our other hand and switch our legs. Big breath in, big breath out. And now let's make lizard pose. Bring your right leg forward, left leg back, and walk your right foot out. Lizard pose. Big breath in, big breath out. Now step your right leg back, bring your left leg forward. Lizard pose on the other side. Big breath in, big breath out. Good job, friends. Bats swooping in the nighttime sky. Owls keeping watch from a tree so high. So now let's imagine we're a flying bat. Heels in, toes out. Big breath in, reach your wings up high. And breathe out, bring your wings down low. Big breath in, big breath out. 2 more. Big breath in, big breath out. Last one. Big breath in, big breath out. Owls keeping watch from trees so high. So now let's make tree pose, friends. Let's bring our right foot to our left calf and reach our hands up like a beautiful fall tree. And think about what colors you want to have on your tree. Take a big breath in, big breath out. Now switch your feet, make tree pose. Left foot to right calf. Big breath in, big breath out. And now let's make owl eyes. Let's bring our thumbs and index fingers together and put them over our eyes. And let's do some twists. Hoo, 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 hoo. Good job, friends. Candlelit houses throughout the land. It's all good fun. Just take hold of my hand. Bring your hands up over your head. Take a deep breath. Enjoy what you've seen. Now it's time to relax and have a happy Halloween. So let's come to our bums and let's do one more big lion's breath. Big breath in. Lion's breath for facing our fears. And let's do one more spooky Halloween breath. Like we're a spooky wind. And one more ghost breath. Close your lips, breathe in and out through the nose. Big breath in through the nose. Longer breath out through the nose. And now we get to relax. And for a happy Halloween, as we relax, let's think about things that make us happy. Maybe think about the people you love, the things you love to do, and enjoy your rest. Feel free to relax in your resting pose as long as you would like to. Thank you so much for joining me today. It is an honor and a privilege to share yoga with you and your family. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste.